How to sync your data on Opera Mini app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync your data on Opera. So first thing you have to do is go to your Opera app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on this little option and click on the settings. Now click on the sync option and click create account. If you have it, click sign in. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.